I was really struggling with my messaging, just throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping like something would stick. I knew what I wanted to say. I just wasn't sure how to frame it in a way that really resonates with the the clients I want to serve. And I was just getting so many different types of advice and tips. And I think I just, in working with you, I gained a lot of clarity in my messaging. And I really love the story brand framework. I think that really paints such a beautiful picture of who I am and what I do and who I want to serve. So that clarity really just took a whole load off because I think that was the one thing my messaging wasn't very clear. So that was really helpful, but also making my voice really confident and strong and powerful. It's just very clear now what I do. And that sense of clarity and understanding that I've been able to gain in my own business has given me so much opportunity to build momentum and move forward and talk about my business in a way where I am confident in sharing what I do. Because before I was very hesitant because I was like, I don't know exactly what I do. So that was really, really helpful. I feel really confident and excited about sharing it because, again, I just love how it flows now. Whereas before, I was just kind of going off of my previous website developer had created. And I feel like my website now can really resonate with my ideal client. And it really is kind of the guiding force in booking more calls with me and making money in my business. You kind of took reins on doing the bulk of the work, really helping me break it down into the story brand framework. I felt like I could trust your expertise and your skill, and it was just really easy working with you the whole process. And even without knowing too much about you, I just felt like, this is the person that will help me get to where I want to be. So that was a sense of relief for me because I'm such a busy mom with juggling everything. Having you kind of take over and use all the information that I gave you and putting into something really beautiful was so life changing for my business. If I had a friend that was on the fence and working with you, I would just say take the chance and invest in yourself and in your business because I think it's something that you can use forever, really. It's just something so powerful. And the clarity alone, I think, because I was so confused with my messaging, working with you just took that all away. So it was so helpful. My name is Annalisa Vice, and I'm a motherhood coach. I helped overwhelmed moms feel like themselves again.